Hey everyone, it's Mrs. Moss here. We're going to be looking at our transportation unit, and our first thing that we're going to learn in our transportation unit is information on buying a car. So when you go to buy a car, the sticker that you see on the car is going to have a price on it, and that is called the sticker price. And the sticker price is just the offering price that's made by the dealer. A lot of times you can buy a car for a negotiated price, which is going to be less than that sticker price. So you can save hundreds or thousands of dollars less than the sticker price after you negotiate. And then sometimes if you have a car already that you're trading in, then you can actually get a trade-in allowance as well on your old car. And then you're going to subtract that from the negotiated price. And then once you have your actual price, which is your negotiated price minus your trade-in, you'll have your actual price, and then you'll take that actual price. You're going to find the taxes or the sales tax on that price, and then you'll add that to your total, and then you'll add your vehicle registration fee to your total to get your total cost of your new car. So one formula that we want to keep in mind is this negotiated price minus our trade-in allowance is going to give us our actual price of the car. That's going to be before taxes and before our registration fee. So I have an example here that I want us to look at. It says you negotiate a price of $23,538 for the car with all of the options. So you're getting, this is after you negotiate. So there was a sticker price and you talk them down from the sticker price to this new price of $23,538. You also have an old car that you're trading in, and you're trading that old car in for $6,150. There's a 7.5% sales tax on the car, and there's also a $98 registration fee. So the question is, what do you owe the dealer at the end of the day? So the very first thing that we need to do is we need to find the actual price of the car. So the actual price is the negotiated price minus the trade-in allowance. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to look for those numbers. So we need the negotiated price, negotiated minus the trade-in. So negotiate was 23,538, and then our trade-in was 6,150. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to pull up my calculator. I'm just using the calculator from Desmos right here. So again, it was 23,538 minus that trade-in of 6,150. Hit enter, and we get this answer here, 17,388. So I'm going to write that down. So 17,388. So this is the cost of the car before taxes and before our registration fee. So step 2 is to multiply to find the tax. So remember, when you multiply, you take that percent and you move the decimal twice. So we get 0.075. So we'll take that 17,388. We'll multiply it by that tax, 0.075. So again, I'm going to use my calculator here. So let me just clear this. All right, so we have 17,388, and we're multiplying it by that tax, so 0.075, and we get $1,304.10. So I'm going to write that answer down. $1,304.10. So now our last step is to get the total cost, which is going to be the actual price plus the taxes plus the registration fee. And I'm going to show you how to get all of those numbers. Okay, so the actual price, that was up here, right? That was the first thing that we found. The taxes, that was the second thing that we found. And the registration fee was up in the problem. It was $98. So those are the three numbers that I'll be adding together. So 17,388 plus 1,304 and 10 cents plus 98. All right, so I'll bring the calculator up. Okay. Wait a second. Okay. All right, so here we go. 17,388 plus 1,304.10 and then plus 98. We hit enter, and then now we have our total cost of the car, which is this $18,790.10. So I'm going to write down that answer. So I'm going to say we owe the dealer $18,790.10. Okay, so that is how you calculate your total cost for buying a car. All right, thank y'all for listening and try some of those problems. Reach out if you have any questions and have a great week.